Guangdong Everpretty Furniture Company Limited was founded in 2006 in Qingyuan City, Guangdong Province, China. We specialize in designing and manufacturing commercial furniture, including educational furniture, medical furniture, and hostel, dormitory furniture. We have more than 33,250 square meters of production land, with 6 advanced production lines, covering almost all categories of commercial furniture. After many years of development, we have exported to over 50,000 customers worldwide. Our R&D, design, sales, production, and after-sales teams are highly experienced and professional, and we can provide customizable solutions for commercial furniture. We prioritize customer satisfaction by providing high-quality goods, trouble-free service, and creating value for our clients. Our products are certified by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSAS 18001, and we have obtained a number of patents for product design. All of our products are rigorously tested in accordance with our quality system. We are committed to providing customers with the best quality products and services at the most competitive prices. With our comprehensive experience and comprehensive solutions, we are confident that we can provide the best value for our customers. Whether selecting products from our catalog or finding sourcing product for your target market, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Looking forward to cooperating with you.